Most use the internet every day, but few understand how it works. To help explain this, we will use the main page of Wikipedia as our example. We begin by entering the address, also known as the Universal Resource Locator, or URL. Receiving the web page begins with the Domain Name System, or DNS. Its job must be completed before we proceed. The purpose of the system is to turn the URL into a computer-readable format, its Internet Protocol, or IP address. The system forms a small amount of data, called a packet, that it will send to the server to request the address. While the computer doesn't know the exact IP address, it does know where to ask. Our little packet has no idea where it should go, so there are another two layers used for this purpose. The first is the User Datagram Protocol, or UDP. It simply transfers information between the servers. The UDP adds another layer on the packet, instructing it on where to go inside the destination computer. On top of the UDP layer is the Internet Protocol, or IP layer. This layer adds the IP address of the destination and sends the packet on its way. The packet travels through a series of routers, computers that handle internet traffic. Ultimately, it reaches its destination, the name server, which keeps records of which URL goes with what IP address. When the packet arrives, the IP layer is stripped off, leaving the UDP layer to guide the packet inside the name server. This server knows the IP address of Wikipedia, so it forms a DNS packet with this information. It then wraps the packet in the UDP and IP layers using the original return addresses and sends it back. Now that your computer has received the packet back, containing the IP address of Wikipedia, we can move on to the second stage, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP. In this stage, we begin building a new packet with the entire URL we typed in earlier. There are two layers that must be added to tell the packet where it's going. This time, the Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, is used, along with the same IP from earlier. Instead of simply transferring a message, TCP actually contacts the server first to open a connection, which is used to transfer data reliably. To open the connection, a TCP packet is formed requesting to transfer data. This is sent using the IP layer to the web server, the computer that delivers the page to you. Once this packet is received, a return packet is sent acknowledging that your computer will be sending information and requesting in return to send data to the user. Once this reaches your computer, it must reply showing you are ready to accept data, fully creating a connection. Now the packet from the HTTP that requests the page can be sent, wrapped in TCP and IP layers, just as the others have been. The server puts together the page into a file and wraps it in HTTP data. This packet is too big to fit in a single packet sent over the network, so the TCP layer breaks it up and sends it in little pieces. Each little piece must be confirmed via a packet from your computer. The TCP on your computer reassembles the HTTP packet as it is received. We have now received the file that we requested. This process must usually be completed multiple times to receive the other files needed by the web page. The full page loads in short order, completing our overview of the internet. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.